Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Azulle Access Fanless Mini PC Stick. Designed for specific tasks like video conferencing and digital signage. This compact device promises plug-and-play convenience with Windows 11 Pro. Let's see if it lives up to its promises. First off, let's talk about the design. The Azulle Access has a sleek, minimalistic look that's not only functional but also aids in cooling, thanks to its fanless design. It's slightly larger than your typical TV stick but still compact enough to mount discreetly behind a monitor or TV. In terms of hardware, it's powered by an Intel Alder Lake N100 processor and Intel UHD graphics. Paired with either 4GB or 8GB of RAM and 64GB or 128GB of eMMC storage. Connectivity options include HDMI for up to 4K output, a Gigabit Ethernet port, USB 3.0 and Type-C ports, and AX201 Wi-Fi 6 for fast wireless connections. For video conferencing, which is its primary use case, the Azulle Access performs admirably. It supports dual monitors via its USB-C port, making it versatile for expanding your workspace during meetings. The integrated Intel UHD graphics handle 4K video playback smoothly. And with Windows 11 Pro and Zoom pre-installed, setup is straightforward and quick. Switching gears to digital signage, the Access Stick shines with its ability to output 4K content at 60 frames per second. This is crucial for sharp, smooth playback of advertisements or informational displays. The inclusion of AX201 Wi-Fi 6 and Gigabit Ethernet ensures fast, reliable network connectivity, ideal for streaming content updates in real time. In conclusion, the Azulle Access Fanless Mini PC Stick is a niche product that excels in its focused applications of video conferencing and digital signage. If you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use solution for either of these tasks, it's definitely worth considering. That wraps up our review of the Azulle Access Fanless Mini PC Stick. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and insights. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you next time.